I was alone and so afraid, couldn't see the light. No. Then my world began to spin. Where's the beginning and where's my omega? Had to make it right. Oh yeah. There's a moment when you know that every teardrop has to go. They be piling up inside. Inside this glow. Could this moment be meant to be? Lose the shadows and you'll see.
Quick question, do you also get craving sometimes of eating something spicy? Even though I cannot even put salt in my food, but sometimes from inside I wanna have something spicy. Yeah. Comment down below, what are your cravings? What do you like to have when you have crave of something? That being said, what's all going on, bro? Welcome to the video. Today I want to talk to you all about 3 conversation mistakes that turns women off and directly put you in a friend zone. And these mistakes have been done by 99.99% by the guys. And I have done the same. Literally, it feels so bad when you are in a friend zone by the women who you love the most. Remember this thing, women cannot put you in a friend zone. You are yourself putting yourself in a friend zone, not the women. You just need to learn how to talk to women so that you should never get friend zoned. Number 1, putting effort in saying the right thing. I have divided this point into 3 sections. Number 1, the girl that you are not attracted to. Number 2, the girl that you are attracted to. Number 3, things that turns her off. Let's talk about the woman that you are not attracted to, like your female friend. You make fun of her, you challenge her, you tease her, you flirt with her. Actually, you show every emotion like a roller coaster. There is no same emotion. Now let's talk about the girl that you are attracted to. You always show your nice side to her. You don't even make fun of her, you don't even tease her, you don't even touch her. Like there is same emotion, there is no roller coaster. You always, facing difficulty in maintaining the conversation and always thinking into your mind, how should I impress her or what should I say that she should like me instantly. Now talk about the things that turns her off. Always trying to be perfect. You don't have to worry what is right and what is wrong. You don't always say the things what she needs to hear. You have to feel confident in yourself. When you feel confident, you should talk about the things about what you feel, what are your opinions. Guys, remember one thing, she is also not a perfect human being. She will also react on the basis of her emotions, what she feels. So guys, be confident. Number 2, not making her feel sexually attracted during conversation. I have also divided this point into 3 sections. Number 1, being neutral with women. Number 2, being too nice with women. Number 3, make her feel sexually attracted. And if I talk about being neutral with women, you don't show any sexual interest in her. You're having a friendly conversation with her, like boring conversation. How are you? How was your day? Like there is no vibe. And you are trying every possibility of not being rejected. And at the same time thinking into your mind that she will going to like you. But guys, this will not going to happen. Believe me, this will not going to happen. And if I talk about being extra nice with women, like trying very hard to be nice, sweet and polite, and trying extra hard to get her to like you. Like there's nothing wrong of being nice with women, but being extra nice and at the same time you are thinking that she will going to like you as a person, then you will going to have your chance with that girl. If you are having this mentality, guys, you are ending in a friend zone. And if I talk about 3rd section of the 2nd point, you have to make her feel sexually attracted. Well, I'm not saying that you have to be an asshole to any women or being rude. Well, I'm saying is you have to make her feel sexually attracted during conversation. And how can you do it? By showing flirting, masculinity, confidence, your humor side, and most important thing, how you handle yourself during conversation. Number 3, not understanding how psychology works. Men are logical and women are emotional. Let's suppose if you meet any new girl in a market, like she is very beautiful and attractive, and in less than 5 seconds you get attracted towards that girl. And it doesn't matter if she's annoying, untrust, or disloyal. You just wanna have sex with that woman and you wanna make that girl your girlfriend. Most of the guys think that as we are attracted towards women by our physical appearance, as same way women will get attracted towards us guys by physical appearance. But for women, psychology works differently. Let's suppose you meet a beautiful random girl and you even don't know anything about her and she doesn't know anything about you, but you already get attracted towards her physical appearance, and now she will judge you on the basis of your physical appearance, and she will show interest in you, that she will initiate conversation with you or not. And now if you don't know how to have an interesting conversation with her, how to build up a rapport with her, how to flirt with her, how to challenge her, you will going to turn that woman off. And most importantly, if you are being too nervous around her, you don't show your confidence, then you will gonna turn that woman off. That is the reason why the guys who are not good looking having a cute or hot girlfriend, because they know how to show confidence, how to build up a rapport, how to flirt, how to have a funny conversation, how to make her laugh. And guys, 4 years back I was in Shimla and I have seen one guy who was not good looking but having a very cute girlfriend. I was thinking into my mind, इस साले को इतनी अच्छी girlfriend कहाँ से आ गई? There are some women who will get attracted toward chiseled body, six packs, abs, but most of the women loves the guy who makes her feel sexually attracted. Now, if I talk about different ways of attracting women, most guys think that it's about money or huge dick or high status, but you can also attract the girl in a very simple way, as I've already told you, like showing your confidence, masculinity, how to tease her, how to have an interesting conversation. One more thing, most of the guys think that when they have enough money then they will have a girlfriend, but they are forgetting that there are many guys who are not rich but having a cute or hot girlfriend. Just need to remember one thing, while having conversation with the woman, you just need to notice, is it interesting or boring? Is it turning her on or off? Most importantly, it doesn't matter if you are having a good heart, if you are intellectual, or you are having a good feeling. If you didn't use the right techniques, then you won't get that girl. Guys, believe me, you won't get that girl. From my personal experience, I'm saying. Most of the guys make this mistake when they see any beautiful girl, they want it to be her boyfriend. But guys, you need to remember, you have to make her feel sexually attracted towards you, so that she should give you the signs that she is interested in you. I'm going to wrap this video up here. I think you have learned something from this video. Like my video, and if you are new, subscribe my channel. I'm gonna talk to you all in the next video. Stay happy.